Now, this is what the textbook determines as being an application of simultaneous equations. So what we've got here, we've got a situation that gives some numbers, they tell us some stuff, and then we've got some things to do. So it tells us that Leonie bought 7 lip glosses and 2 eyeshadows for a total of $69, and Chrissy bought 4 lip glosses and 3 eyeshadows for a total of $45. Find out how much each lip gloss and each eyeshadow costs by completing the following steps. Define two variables, write a pair of simultaneous equations, solve them, writing words. So with this, sometimes people say, okay, lip gloss, let it be L, eyeshadow, let it be E. The problem with that, I don't like doing that. I used to, I don't anymore. The problem with that is it gets a little bit confusing in terms of what's what. So what we do is we just say, let's write that a bit clearer, I think. Let X equal cost of eyeliner, so EL, and let Y, it's also 2 Y's, let Y equal the cost of lip gloss, LG. Okay, that's what we're going to start with. So now from here it tells us that there were 7 lip glosses and 2 eyeshadows. I keep calling it eyeliner, eyeshadow. Okay, so 7 lip glosses and 2 eyeshadows for $69. So what we're going to do is we're going to say that 7 lip glosses, 7Y plus 2 eyeshadows, X, 2X equals 69. And then from there we do the same thing. So one equation for Leonie, one for Chrissy. So Chrissy has another one. So she bought 4 lip glosses. So lip glosses is Y. So 4Y plus, and how many eyeshadows did she buy? 3 eyeshadows. 3X equals, and the total of $45. So now that we've got that, now we can solve it simultaneously. So there's our 2 equations. So we've defined 2 equations. That's worth 1 mark. Here we've set these up. This may be worth 1 or 2 marks, 1 for each equation. Now we're going to solve them. So in a test or an exam, you write them. If this is wrong, you just write some equation and solve it correctly, and I'll give you marks. Okay, so from here, what we're going to do, we're going to label this as being equation number 1, equation number 2. I am going to multiply equation number 1 by 3 and equation number 2 by 2, so that both of these coefficients become 6. So multiplying 1 by 3, so I'm going to say 1 by 3 and equation number 2 by 2. So from there we'll have then 21y plus 6x equals 69 times 3, 180 plus 27 gives us 207. And over here, 4y times 2 gives 8y, plus 6x equals 45. Okay, now from there, not 45. Got to be careful, got to read what we're doing. Silly mistakes cost us 90. 2 times 45 is 90. Okay, so now over here, what we're going to do, so now we've got equation number 3 and equation number 4. And I'm going to say, let's do equation number 3 minus equation number 4, so we can eliminate the x's. So 21 minus 8 gives us 13. So we've got 13y plus 6x minus 6x is 0. So now we'll say that equals 207 minus 90. That leaves with 117. So 13 divided by 117. No, 117 divided by 13. Let's see if that works. Hopefully that works. Alright, 9. So that tells us that y equals 9. So the cost of lip gloss is $9. Now that we've got that, let's pull that equation number 5. And let's substitute 5. Substitute 5 into, what are we substituting? Let's substitute into 2. Makes it a bit easier to work with. So then we've got 4x plus 3, 9 equals 45. 4x plus 27 equals 45. Remove this 27 by subtracting from both sides. So we'll have 4x equals 18. So x equals 18 over 4, which is also equal to 4.5. So in words, I'm not going to write it because I've run out of space and it's very messy. So in words, we would say lip gloss costs $9 and eyeshadow costs $4.50. It's really important that you would specify that. You can't just leave it at that. There you don't get a mark because we're dealing with a real world thing, but that's what you'd have to do.